Hey guys, welcome to your chapter 6 or 12 review. First gotta put down my Papa Americano. Alright, here we go. I gotta pause this guy. Alright, so here is your challenge problem, culmination of the chapter. The challenge problem will be this. So I'll give you double points for this homework if you can follow along, do this, and then make up a new one and do it. All right, say you have some coordinates, some points, and I'll just make them all positive just for fun. And you want to know what is the shortest distance that this point, call it, I don't know, 9, will be, what is the shortest distance at this point to the line? Created by the 2 points. Okay, so that you can understand what's going on here, let me show you with GeoGebra. Okay, so I got GeoGebra open. Let's see, here's GeoGebra. Okay, you can have it open too. Just watch this for now, and then you can do it and follow along. GeoGebra. I want to start learning. Yeah, start creating. Okay, so I'm going to GeoGebra and right click, add my grid, add my axis. All right, and I need to put that point. First point was 3, 2. So 3, 2. And the second point is 6, 9. So 6. 6, 9, right there. All right. So this creates a line. If you connect these two, it will create a line. All right. So those are those first 2 points: 3, 2, 6, 9, 3, 2, 6, 9. And you want to know what is the shortest distance from 9, 7 to that line. So here's 9, 7 right here. So you want to know what is the shortest distance from here to here. I mean, this is long, and it looks like the she's getting shorter, and then that's connected to that, and then it gets longer. So the shortest distance is actually created by a 90-degree angle, a perpendicular line. Okay. 6, 9. Let me put that point again. What was it? 9, 7. Excuse me. 9, 7. Right there. 9, 7. So if you were to draw a perpendicular line, see, look, perpendicular line. You're gonna go from here to here, and there we go. So GeoGebra can find a perpendicular line. Okay, we're just kind of getting the idea. Look, see the y-intercept? It's like 11.5. And then you got to find this point, whatever that point is. Okay. Intersect. Maybe that's the button. So that's the intersection point D. So then basically, I'm curious to know what D is, like as B. I need to know what D is, okay? So I would like to know what point D is, and then you find the distance between D. Oh, D is right here, 2.9199 the distance between here and here, and that would be the shortest distance. That's the answer to the problem. Okay, so this is the visual representation of what we're going to do. Okay, so the idea is we're going to figure out what that is. All right, and now we're going to do it with algebra style, just so you can get that idea. So, step one. Okay, call it 1. Find slope. All right, so as you guys know, I like to write my points one on top of each other. 3, 2. That's a weird 2, but it's a 2. And then 6, 9. This is probably where you might want to start copying, getting the idea. So the slope is the rise over run, which is the change of y's. So the change of y was from 1 to 9, that's 8. So our slope is going to be 8 over, and then from 3 to 6 is 3. Okay, so our slope is 8/3. Okay, so the slope of this line is up 8 over 3. Next, we need to write the full equation of this line right here. What is the full equation? So we need the y-intercept. And the y-intercept, you can tell it's kind of down here, like -4 maybe, I don't know. So we have to use basic algebra to find that out. So we write in the equation, y equals slope times x plus the y-intercept. Okay, and then you're going to plug in 8/3 here, and then you can pick 3, this one or that one. I'm going to pick the top one. I usually just pick the first one. I don't want to think about it too much. Same thing. I'm going to put the 3 there, and then the 1 here. So then I have the new equation, 1 equals 8/3 times, looks like 3. Oh, that's going to work out really nice. Plus the y-intercept, our omega. Okay, remember the omega is something we came up with here, just as a symbol for the y-intercept, just for fun. Next, simplify. Look at this. Whoops. Oh, look at that. These cancel out. So what we have left is 1 equals 8 plus that. So then you think, 8 plus what is 1? Oh, this has to be -7. Okay, 8 minus 7 is 1. So, or you can put -8, -8. So the end result is that our y-intercept is -7. Now we could write the equation. Okay, now we have both pieces that we needed. So the equation of this line wait a minute, this is 4. Look at this, guys. This coordinate that I drew here, I actually accidentally put it on 3, 2, and it's actually 3, 1. Okay? And now look at that. Y-intercept is -6. And make sure my other coordinate is also good. 6, 8. It's supposed to be 6, 9. Okay, so this one's supposed to be 6, 9. Alright, gotta fix them. Maybe my grid was off. So my grid was off. So here's 6, 9, and 3, 1. Now, the intercept is -7. So you can see, I had made a mistake on my plotting, but my algebra told me that my drawing was not right. So, the what do you call it? The equation would be y equals 8/3, which is your slope, x minus 7. So this is your equation to the first line. Now we need the equation to the second line, okay? Let's see if I can put more room. Maybe I can copy paste. All right, next we need the equation for the line that is perpendicular to that line, that's going through this point, 9, 7. So we have point 9, 7, and then we have the slope, which was 8/3 of 8/3. So we're going to borrow this slope, and we'll find out that that other slope, this slope is going down, so that slope will be negative 3/8. And then we have the same equation, y equals mx plus b. So we can just write that equation. I'm going to skip some steps. So y equals m, which is the slope, and then x, which is 9, plus times 9, and then plus the y-intercept. All right, so then we calculate this. It's going to be 7 equals negative 27/8, and then plus the y-intercept. All right, and use a calculator for here, which is 27 divided by 8. Okay, I skipped some steps here, but the second equation, which is this one right here, we're going to borrow the slope of the old one, which is 8/3. That's a 3 right here. And we're going to convert this slope, we're going to change it to opposite reciprocal, which is negative 3/8, and then plug it in the same way and solve for the y-intercept. And then here we have 7 equals negative, I'm going to simplify a little bit, or 4 plus the y-intercept. So then you add 3.4 to both sides, and the answer would be 10.4 is the y-intercept. So your new equation could be y equals negative 3/8, that's your slope, x plus 10.4. And if you look over here, the y-intercept is about there. So how do you find out the intersection point where they both intersect at? You do your equations, called a solution. So you would put, where does this equal the other one? So you would say, where does this, when does this equal this right there? So I'm going to, so I can copy paste. So then you substitute for the y, and you put both equations together. So you're going to put 3/8 x plus 10.4 equals this guy right here. So you basically put both of the equations set to equal each other, and you're going to solve for x. For this case, to get rid of decimals and these guys, you can simplify these to decimals, or you can multiply everything by 24. At the end, you're going to find out your x. So it'll be x equals something, and then you can find your y equals something. And those two numbers right here, x and y, will be that coordinate. And then from there, you can get the distance from C, which is 9, 7, to that point. And then that's how you would find the shortest distance from C to there, which is the intersection of both of these at a 90-degree angle. All right, so I'm not going to finish this off. I want to see if you guys can finish this off and post that for double points. Make sure it's really neat on one sheet of paper. And then good luck. And then your answer should be about, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 units.